In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section on Wix. If you've designed a website on Wix, you might find that after a bit of tinkering, there are sections you no longer need or want. Removing them is a straightforward process, and today, I'll guide you through the steps to do just that. First things first. To begin, you need to log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. This is where all your website management occurs. Once you're on the dashboard, look for an option that says Site Actions or similar, and head over to the Wix website editor by clicking on Edit Site. This will take you directly into the Wix editor, a powerful tool that lets you customize every part of your site. Once the editor has loaded, you'll see a representation of your website. What you need to do next is choose the section you wish to delete. To do this, simply hover over different parts of your web page until you find the section that you want to remove. You'll notice that as you hover, various sections will be highlighted, which helps you identify exactly which part of the page you're interacting with. After locating the section you'd like gone, it's time to perform a right-click action with your mouse on that section. A right-click brings up a context menu filled with various options pertaining to that particular section. This menu is your gateway to a range of edits, but for our purpose today, it will provide the option we need to remove that section. Now, from the menu that appears, look for the option that says Delete. This is usually located toward the bottom of the menu, so be sure to scroll down if you don't see it immediately. Click on Delete, and just like that, the section will be removed from your page. Once you've deleted the section, remember that it's always good practice to preview your site. Simply click the Preview button, usually located at the top of the editor. This allows you to see what your website looks like live without actually publishing changes to visitors yet. If everything looks as expected, you can then proceed to click the Publish button to make those changes live. And there you have it. Deleting a section on Wix is as simple as that. Whether it's seasonal content that's no longer relevant, or a design feature you've changed your mind about, removing it from your site can be done in a matter of moments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you next time.